So guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to generate coloring pages with AI. Yes, we are all familiar with this site called Fabrica, creativefabrica.com. With this, we can actually do a lot of things in this website, but it's almost expensive, and a lot of people are looking for a way to get it free without paying a dime. If you could subscribe for this website, for a year subscription here is $29.99, which is equivalent to $30. Depending on your currency, it could be expensive for you or it could be very, very cheap for you. So if you want to get tons and tons of stuff, like from here now you can see we have that of graphics, we have that of craft, we have font, we have bundles. Then if you move down, you see talking about KDP interior. You already know what is an interior. It means the design, the inside of your book. That's what we call interior. So instead of say coloring books, we say coloring pages. So interior page that you will color yourself. It can be anything. You can see here we have different names. We have panda coloring page for kids. You can see this. This is expensive. If you want to get this, you can get this. This is what people do: is they come to the site, they just purchase one and take it to they take it directly to KDP, that's the Amazon KDP, and they publish there and they are good to go. So if you want to play around, you can come here. If you have the money, you can come here. But if you don't have the money, you can stay calm as I walk you through almost 6 AI website that can help you generate tons and tons and tons of AI just like this. So the first one on our list is this. The first one here is called Dream.ai. Yes, this website is very easy. All you have to do is come here, sign up. Then when you sign up, just type Dream.ai. You can see from here. So let me just do this from scratch so that we can see what I'm talking about. Dream.ai. Then you're going to log in depending on how strong your network is. Yes, if your network is strong, it's going to be faster. But if your network is not strong, it takes time, just like mine. All right, so when you click on Dream.ai, you see this place called scroll down. So we are going to from here, I've already logged in because it's going to tell you log in. So pick any name. For example, you pick something like YU or something like Abel. It might tell you it's not available. So all you have to do is to put Abel 00 and it's available. Like as you can see, Austin 1000 balls or 1000. I just pronounced that in my currency. So over here now we have the first one called Dream by Wombo. I believe this is the name of the website that really created it. So now what we are going to do now is we are going to create our first one. To create that, we're going to move down to this place. The last one of the last AI I'll be showing you is the best of all, totally free. So I advise you stay true and just watch and see how things unfold itself. So the first one here we have is this, which is type anything. So you can say a man crying or a woman crying, or you can come straight to create Fabrica from here and get more ideas. From here you can see Halloween activity, or you can see some stuff like something like cute Halloween. You can type it there. But I already have what I've typed down that I will be using for this search, and that's what I will show you. That is in my Google Doc. So we have this prompt called outline art for cute Halloween coloring page with witch. So I'm going to put that very well and spell it. White background sketch style, full body, only use outline. I'm telling you what to do. So I'm going to just copy this from here, which you can still retype in the search there when you are doing yours. And at this place, I'm going to put it in this place. So from here we have prompt history. I'm not touching this place. Then at the art style, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different templates we can pick. 6 different art style we can choose and start doing our stuff, but the rest are premium. But I believe with these you can do all sorts. But I told you, I said at the end of this video, the last one I will show you is the best and is totally amazing, frankly amazing. So now I'm going to pick one of these here and try to create something. All you have to do is just create, then wait for this, and let's just X out and wait for that to create. So it's creating. In no time we should have that. You can see over here saying creating. So just wait for some little time and you have it ready. So it's going to just move around. Or if you don't really like any of this one, because it's good you play around this, I will not be playing around each one because I don't want to spend too much time in this tutorial. I believe with your own time you can make. All right, you can see we have this beautiful girl all this. You see, I know you shout wow. So what I want you to do right now is to smash the like button, because at every video, at every site I show, I'll tell you to do something. And this one, I just want you to like this video for now. All right, thank you, so that other people can see it as well. Now you see we have this one here, and if you want to download it, it's very simple. So just move around, just right click on it. So if you want to right click, you can move on. You can see something like save image. So we can save this image, and when we save image, we're going to save it to anything we want. Let's say final one. I'm going to hit on save. So it's going to save immediately. Then we'll come here and we're going to open it and see how it is. So let me click and open it, and let's see what's there, if we are good to go or we are not good. Right now, this is so pretty. So now it means this is for you. Why I love this is you don't have to pay, be scared of copyright or other stuff. They are totally free. But you can see we have 1, 2, 3 for all premium. The last site I will show you, as I've said, will do everything for you without even this 4 here will be available for you. You can pick the 4 and you're good to go. Now we're done with this. You can move around later on and just pick this and try create. In Sim, you can keep on creating timeless or seamless number of art. So there is no credit score in this one. It's totally free. So you can see now under this we have something different. We have this one here. Yes, you can see we have this. So you can see pick this again. Let me just download this. This one should be the last one we're downloading, so that we'll see. So you see it tried to use the AI knowledge and create something specific for you. So now we've created that. Let's see what we have. This is the final one. So you see, you can tell them, hey, colorize this. You can tell them what they should do, or use your own idea and bring something out of this. Give it any name of your choice. It can be any name of your choice. Anyway, so now we're done with that. Let's go to the second one called this one is called get img.ai. I'm going to type it so that you see the same way I type it, get img.ai. You can see there. I'm going to hit on enter. Then this is going to load. You can see a lot of things we already have here, which means you can pick all this. So the first thing they will tell you to do, the site tell you to register with your mail. I advise just going with one of the mail, or you can create a separate mail for all these if you're scared of being hacked, you know. So over here I'm going to pick on start creating for free. So then we just wait, because everyone loves free things. That is why we are doing this. Or you don't love free things? I know you love free things. And one of the free stuff you do for me is to just pay attention, and above all, after you watch this video, you practice everything from scratch. So you can save to your YouTube. Just hit on save. You see you can save this video to your YouTube so that you can watch anytime you feel like. Now we have this. I already created an account with them, with my mail, and you can unsubscribe anytime you like by hitting on your mail. Just unsubscribe if you don't like it anymore. So from here we have this. We have generate. We have the model. Model means how you want it to look like. We have 24 models all over on this place. So from here we can select model from the screen. I told you all these are network based. Sometimes it can be slow, but we just have to exercise some little patience, and we have it all ready. All right, since this is taking some little time, let's just X out from here and let's just have this. So same prompt I'll be using as I've told you. So I'm going to try pick a different model this time and see if it comes. If it doesn't come, you can see over here it's loading. It's loading, but I believe we should have it ready in no time soon. All right, we have 24 different model we can use. Yes. So from here, you see the first model, stable diffusion. You see another one by this, prompt hero. You see all these are different links. So we have a reality, this. So let's say we want to use this that is ready, this one. I'm going to click on it. Then we're going to hit on continue, because it's going to be telling us different prompting. Just hit on continue and move on. So now just hit on create for image. It said need 4 credit for this registration. Let's see. If it asks us to use 4 credit, we use it. You can see over the screen by the top right, we have 92 credit. So it means after 92 credit is over, there is something we will do. That is by subscribing. But we're not subscribing, I believe. With the 100 free credit, definitely you should be able. But the last one I always say has almost 100 credit, but there's a way to go around it to really get this stuff done. So now we just wait for this. It seems it's coming up, but network is really playing with me this time. So let's just wait and see what comes up. Let's just wait and see what comes up. If it comes up, beautiful. If it does not come, we move on to the next side. Then we'll come back later and see if we have this. All right, so almost loading, almost loading, almost loading. All right, while we wait for this to come up, let's go to the next one. The name of the next one is called mage.space. So you can see there over there. So just hit on enter, then it's going to load and the site is ready for you. So you can see over here still turning, trying to load, it's still loading, sorry, and we'll just wait for that to finish that loading. So we have the first one that says create anything. So over here I'm going to hit on that stuff we copied, just put it in there. Then you can select your model if you have, just click in there, select your model. Then from here we can pick model that will fill. So we can say log in, we can see all this upgrade. So I don't want to log into this place. If you want to log in, means you can use this, you can use this, you can play around all this and see. So just move your this, you can see a lot. Upgrade to pro to use this, and or anyway we can try the first one which is there and see how it looks. So we're going to click on this. Then when we click on it, we're going to move on to the next one. So now we've clicked on it, just go one step backward like this. So now we have that already selected. Let's see what's happened. I've picked this. Now, okay, let's go up and see what we have. Okay, now we've selected that. Now what we want to do now is to create. For us to create, let's see what we have. If something, we could just hit on create. At the advanced, we're not touching any advanced. Let's just see what it is. Let's move on with this. So let's just click on that and wait for it. Need faster generation, upgrade now. No, we are not upgrading. Let's see the trial version or the free version, how it looks like before moving to the next one. All right, so this is what we have and it's still loading and we're good to go. All right, so let's see what comes up. Let's see what really comes up from here and all this. So we just have to be patient a bit. You can see from here we have generating now and stuff. Let's go back to the first one. Let's see. Okay, wow, we have lots and lots and lots and beautiful one that have been created. We can pick all these. I know you're amazed already, like, oh, this is excellent, but this is just a tip of an iceberg. Trust me, in the next 3 I will show you, you'll be blown away. I'm very, very serious about this. So now you see we have lot and lot. If you want to really download this, all you have to do is to keep on doing the stuff. But remember, each 4 credits you create, it takes you 4 credit. Yes, you can see my total credit here now is just 84 credits left. So the more I keep on using it, the more I exhaust all my credit. So just move on. If you want to download this, you can save. Right click on it and you should have something like save. Then if you don't have save, it's very simple. Let's see, click on it, then you can see download here. Then you can download as JPEG and original. Over here you can right click and you see something like save image. All right, now we have that. I can just X out. You can use your smartphone to do this. Trust me, not just your laptop. You can use your smartphone to get into this. So keep on generating. You can rechange this stuff. If you want to change it, just go in there, bring a new prompt. You can say a beautiful ball or stuff, and you have something sketched out for you. So you must not follow this prompting here. All right, now we know Maze has not given us what we want. We will not waste too much time. Maybe the network is bad. We'll go to the next one called stable cog. This is the one I talked about. No, not this. All right, so we have runway. Okay, we just missed one, runway. Let's use this. This is the last one I was telling you about, the most important one of this tutorial. Then with this one, we'll tell you how to animate this test so that it looks so beautiful. So when you come to stable cog, it's called stable cog. Let's type it there. Stable cog. I'm going to put stable cog. So let's hit on enter and see if it takes us to Google. You can see here we have stablecog.com, or you can say stable cog, depending on how you want to pronounce it. It's your choice. So when you come here, you'll be asked to log in. So start for free, put in your mail and get in the stuff ready. One beautiful thing about this is this, that with the stable cog, you can actually get free credit in every 12 hours. So you can see, so when you finish this, you're going to get another 10 credits in every 12 hours. 10 credits will be added to this. So I can use a day and create a free one. Then in another 12 hours, it means in every 24 hours, I have another 20 credits, which means I can generate 20 new images. That is why I really love this stablecog.com. So over here now, we're going to still use that same prompt. If you want to change the prompt, you can really try different prompts and see how it really goes. And the best way to check for prompts is to come here and just go to ChatGPT or the chat.openai.com and just put this stuff and say, please, let's just say, please generate another idea for me. So I'm going to put generate another idea for me and see What's see? Okay, we have the spooky days description. Create a cute Halloween coloring page feature. Spooky, you see. So you see all this. We can just wait for this to finish and call it spooky haunted house coloring page. You can use that and you're good to go. That is one idea about the AI. For those who are scared of this, let me show you something. So in one of my videos, before I finished round off this stuff, in one of my videos I talked about new rules for KDP AI generated content that could terminate your account, KDP account, all this. But we said everything in this video. I talked about how you can play safe on Amazon when you're using AI so that you don't lose your account. So in case you find it difficult at the end of this video, just watch this and continue so that you play safe. But if you're scared or if you already know it, there is no need watching it. Or check the description. There is the link for this same video. You can watch it to the end, and at the comment section you tell me how you feel about the video or your own idea. Now you can see all stuff. So you can, when you're done with this, you can just wait for this. The network is really bad here. You just, when you're done, just copy this and paste it in there. So let's wait for this stuff to be done. We have this one. So from here we can generate stem. Let's just click on generate. Let's just wait. So it's going to wait 1 2 3 4. Remember, this one we can only use 1, we can't use 4. But with this one here, you can download all 4 to your own. You see all this I've done. I'm just going to right click. You can see save image. When you click on save image, you're good to go. So we have this one, we have this, we have this, we have this. All are different style. They are all different style, and you're good to go. So if you want to download this, you see this one called download. Just click on download and it's all downloaded immediately without your effort. Anyway, so let me just click on download. It's going to turn or load. I call it turn anyway. So it's going to load, and after this we can just move on. I forget to explain something to you. At the right tab we have something like the portrait. You can pick landscape, you can pick square, you can pick desktop, which is the YouTube version, you can pick squarish, you can pick mobile, which is the TikTok version, all this one which is Instagram version. Just pick around and just move on. But what I advise is pick that of square, which is the same height and the same width. This is very, very key. You do that. When making books, it's good you have height and width almost the same length. So you can go that, or you can just move on with the default choice, which is portrait 2:3, which is a lesser width and a better height. So that is why you have this more of height and less width. So when you pick that, you check if there's any other thing you want to check there. You can pick the model and move on to a different model. You can scroll down and see different model you can really use. So you can pick first model, you can pick the second model, third model, fourth model, fifth, we have sixth model, we have seventh model, we have 8 from here. So now we can move on. You see, you can decide to pick within the number of image you want in this place. I never checked that. Well, thank God. So at the advanced section, we can move on guideline scale. We can decide to add other stuffs. But if you don't know what it means, please forget about it. But if you want to play around, you can just come here and put some seed and see what you get. Yes, it means the more you try, the better for you. So now we know that now we can we've saved, we've generated all this. One thing I want you to do is to share this video with your friends that are doing KDP or any stuff that are selling coloring books. And most importantly, this one, I want you to subscribe. Immediately I'm done with this, just subscribe. Trust me. So now we're going to skip this runway. With runway, you really don't generate this kind of coloring stuff you want, but you can generate AI videos by just putting some search. Yes. Now I really love this runwayml.com. Yes. So we can just start. You see, we have the startup free from here. We can try free with 125 one-time credit. When it means one-time credit, it means when that one is over, there is nothing. But it's good you try something and see what it really do for you. Then you can decide to say, okay, I love this, I want to pay for it. So from here you can move on. You can see this one here. You can come here, you can move more. Let's see, generate video. Let's see start with test. Okay, let's say start with test. This is just going to wait. We're going to type anything you feel like putting. So this is the name of the site, called app.runway.com. So how many AI sites have I mentioned today? We have number 1, we have 2, we have number 3 here, we have number 4, and we are in the number 5th one. Then I talked about Fabrica, which is number 6. Then I talked about ChatGPT to generate prompt. Network is bad, which is number 7. And so I talked about 7 different stuffs you can really use to brainstorm idea, and we good to go. This is a very powerful network. It can be slow, but let's exercise patience. If it doesn't come up, then You can try that on your own at runwayml.com. Just play around and see how it works for you and how you can generate beautiful videos AI used for your TikTok, used for your YouTube game, used for anything you're doing, and you're good to go. So all right guys, I believe you subscribe, because that is the only thing I think you can do for me now. And if you want to be part of the Canva team, yes, I talked about the Canva. If you want to be part of Canva team so that you can make more coloring books, get access to pro features, then at the comment section drop, please add me to your Canva team. Then I'll do that immediately. But most importantly, ensure you like this video, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and turn the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I make amazing video like this. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching. I'll see you in other video.